Which technical standard should you use for your accessibility audit? This question usually comes down to WCAG 2.1 conformance level AA or WCAG 2.2 conformance level AA. So some background information. WCAG 2.1 AA is the current prevailing standard. It is the most popular standard in the marketplace as of early 2025. Now, version 2.1 was published in 2018. Version 2.2 was published in 2023, and version 2.2 conformance level AA includes 6 additional success criteria. So version 2.2 does provide for better accessibility, but the trade-off is there's potentially more remediation work that needs to take place to reach full conformance. Thus, it is more difficult to reach full conformance. So if you are concerned with documentation, then this can come into play and can affect your decision. So let's say you are after you're after certification or a conformance statement. Well, in that case, it's going to be easier if you elect for WCAG 2.1 AA as your standard. It's going to be more difficult if you go for 2.2. And this can also come into play with the VPAT or voluntary product accessibility template. So let's say that you want the VPAT filled in so that you can have an accessibility conformance report and present that accessibility conformance report or ACR to procurement agents. And ideally you want a clean report where there are no accessibility issues. Well, it's going to be easier for you to have a clean report if you choose the lower standard. So again, there are 6 additional success criteria in 2.2 that you're going to need to potentially work through if they are applicable to your digital assets. So this question really comes down to your objective. Keep in mind that 2.1 AA is the most referenced standard. It is adopted or incorporated into most laws that concern digital accessibility. Of course, 2.2 is going to go beyond 2.1. It's going to build on top of it. So it will provide for even better accessibility, but there's just more potential work that's involved. So these are the considerations in play when it comes to 2.1 or 2.2. From here, you just have to decide what objective or objectives are you trying to accomplish. And that will do it for this video. We'll continue on with the next. If you need help with an audit, you can visit accessible.org/audits for more information.